Alright, so we're going to be packing Reborn Baby Doll Steven Awake that I reborn as a girl. Here she is right here, you guys. Say hi, everybody. Hello. Say hi. You ready to get in your box, girl? I am, TT. Alrighty. Let's get you snug in there, girl. Hold on, princess. Uh-oh. Turn your head. Turn your head, girl. Alright, let me get some bubble wrap for her head. Just to protect my work. Here she goes. We got her paperwork and a paperwork. We got her little comb and brush, little hair balls, little diaper, her fake milk, and a gift. And that is Reborn Baby Doll Steven. Hey, oh, hit that like, hey, subscribe, oh, hey, it's TT Show, oh, get it, hey, get it, oh, get it, hey, get it, oh.